Today I found an amazing product on Etsy, and I'm telling you right now, if you design it and start selling it today, you can make a lot of sales from it. And of course, this is a digital product, which means you can create it from anywhere in the world and sell it while sitting comfortably at home. This is honestly one of the best businesses you can start right now, and even in the future, selling digital products, because it literally costs you nothing to get started. So let's jump straight into the practical part and start designing this product step by step. Now, if we take a look at this amazing product, you'll see that it teaches kids colors in a very smart and interactive way. And not just that, it also helps them learn how to use scissors by cutting shapes, so it's both fun and educational at the same time. What the seller did here is create 3 simple pages. The first page contains paint cans, and each can has a specific color. The second page contains paintbrushes, and each brush also has a specific color. And the third page contains the color names written out clearly. Now here's how the activity works. The child goes to the second page, cuts out the paintbrushes, and then matches and sticks each brush onto the correct color on the first page, on the paint cans. Then for the second step, the child goes to the third page, cuts out the written color names, and matches them again to the correct colors on the first page. So basically, the child is doing 2 activities at the same time, learning colors and practicing cutting and matching skills. Now, from our perspective as digital product sellers, this is where things get really interesting. This product is making a lot of sales, and if we look closely, we'll see it has around 11 people who added it to cart, which is a very strong signal that the product is selling right now. The seller priced it at just $1.88, and when we scroll down, we can see it has a full 5-star rating. But let's go deeper. If we analyze the keyword color matching activities, you'll find that the competition is only around 4,500 listings, while the demand is close to 22,000 searches per month. That's a huge opportunity, and it clearly shows that this niche is very powerful. And it gets even better. There are multiple related keywords, what we call subniches, where the competition is even lower. For example, color matching jar has only about 260 competitors, but over 18,000 searches. And also crayon color matching, very high demand, and your competition could be almost non-existent. Now, before we move on to the design phase, I want you to focus with me for just 2 minutes, because what I'm about to tell you next can make a huge difference for you. I really want you to listen to this carefully. Regarding my bundle that consists of 80 books, there is a brand new update that I created today for this collection. As you already know, this bundle includes 80 books that you can edit with precision, merge together, and customize. And we've already explained this before using Canva. You're not just getting PDF files here, you're also getting Canva links. These books are perfect for Amazon KDP. Each one of the 80 books contains 30 carefully designed pages created with more than 7 years of experience in this field. We start with teaching kids the alphabet, then move to words, and after that to different types of practice and activity books. And you also know that this year, math books are trending like crazy. I didn't forget that at all. I created more than 5 math books for different age groups and different types of exercises. Honestly, if you focus only on the math books, you'll find that their value alone is much higher than the price of the entire bundle. But I reduced the price for a limited time just for you. All types of exercises and activity books are included in this bundle. For example, the Find the Differences book includes 30 pages. And I'm sure that if you asked a designer to create 30 pages like this, it would cost you around $250. I want you to go to the website that I'll leave in the pinned comment and see for yourself the number of pages and books you'll get. And there are also some books you won't find on Amazon or Etsy at all. They come purely from my own ideas and designs. I'm confident that if you focus on them, you'll stand out, and your store will offer books that other stores simply don't have. And we didn't forget adults either. This bundle is not just for kids. There are adult coloring books and more. Now, about the big update I mentioned earlier. Last month, as you know, we added 5 new products that only buyers of this bundle could access to give them extra value, and these were specifically for Etsy. Today, I added 5 more new products to the bundle. That means we now have 10 new products plus the original 80 books the bundle is named after. That's 90 products total. Imagine having 90 products that you can merge and turn into hundreds of listings. The first product from these 10 is completely free for everyone. Once you click on it, it opens instantly, and you'll be able to see the creativity behind it. It's 100% my own design. I'm very confident this product will generate a lot of sales because it focuses on numbers. And as we analyzed earlier at the beginning of the video, numbers from 1 to 10 are already proven winners. On the last page of this product, I included ideas to help you design it easily. And if we go back to the bundle again, you'll see that the original price is $110. But with a huge discount, the bundle is available today for just $29. That's a fraction of its real value, especially since I update this bundle and add new books every month. And if you purchased the bundle in the past, don't worry. You'll find the 5 new books already added to your account. Go now to the pinned comment and grab this bundle. I'm absolutely sure you'll make multiple times the money you paid for it. It's a very small investment. Thank you for staying with me, and now let's move directly into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5. And this first page will be for the paint cans. So I'll go to the Elements tab and search for Paint Can. You'll find a lot of beautiful options, but I'll choose this one because it's simple and perfect for kids. Now I'll duplicate this paint can 6 times and arrange them neatly on the page like this. And now I'm going to assign each paint can a different color. So this page includes the 6 main colors for kids: red, blue, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. Of course, you can add more colors if you want, but I'll keep it simple with just 6. Now let's add a new page, because this second page will be for the paint brushes. So again, I'll go to Elements, search for Paintbrush, and you'll also find many great options. Make sure to choose a design that has one clear color, so each paintbrush represents a single color. I'll pick this one, resize it, and duplicate it 6 times as well. Now I'll change the colors to match the same 6 colors from the first page, but this time I'll arrange them randomly to give the child space to think and match more intelligently. Now that we're done with page 1 and page 2, let's move to page 3. This page will be for the color names themselves. So we'll represent each color inside a rectangle shape. I'll go to Elements and search for Title Box. You'll find many shapes, but I think this one works best for this activity. First, I'll copy it and place it on the first page just to adjust its size to match the paint can. I'll go back to page 3, press T on the keyboard to add text, and write the color name inside the title box. Then I'll duplicate it 6 times and assign the same 6 colors from page 1 and 2, but again in a random order, so the child can practice matching. And just like that, we're done with this simple and powerful activity. Now the child will go to page 2, cut out the paintbrush, let's say the orange one, then go to page 1 and stick it onto the paint can with the same orange color. After that, the child goes to page 3, cuts out the title box that says orange, and returns again to page 1 to match it with the correct paint can. Honestly, I really enjoyed creating this activity, and I truly believe it can generate a lot of sales. And if you want more activities like this, even better ones, just grab my exclusive bundle of 80 books. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment, and also in the description below this video. Get it now, and I'm sure you'll make many sales from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!